Meaning of inference.
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 Inference. Inference refers to the process of deriving logical conclusions or making informed judgments based on available evidence or information. It involves reasoning, drawing implications, and deducing from observations or premises. Inferences can be made in various fields, such as science, mathematics, philosophy, and artificial intelligence, among others. They are essential tools for critical thinking, problem-solving, and decision-making. Whether it is in a scholarly article, a court case, or a casual conversation, inference is used to synthesize knowledge, generate hypotheses, and interpret meanings. In summary, inference plays a crucial role in shaping our understanding of the world around us.